So I've got the water methanol kit plumbed. All I've got to do now is put the level switch in the tank, wire, and tune it. So I'll show you what I've got done so far and get started on that. So got a bung welded in. I went with a 375 milliliter a minute nozzle. I haven't had this engine on the dyno yet, but I'm kind of assuming that's roughly where the horsepower is. Check valve runs all the way back underneath the cab. A little extra line here, but there's my pump, solenoid, and into my tank. So I've just got to figure out where I'm going to put all the wiring, tuck it away somewhere as well, and be able to hit the road. Level sensors installed. So this is the final product here. I just tucked my relay in along with the solenoid, run my wires up the B pillar, down the A pillar, and over. My pressure switch and everything's underneath the dash, and then obviously over to the intake. I'll show you what I've actually done here now. So this is probably going to be shaky, but I'll try and do it anyway. So I've rigged up a pressure regulator to my air compressor, and you can see on the boost gauge there, if I put that in, it's about 3.5 psi. That's kind of where I want it to come on, or at least I'm going to try and have it come on. So if I move that over to the pressure switch, if I can do this one-handed, and I've already adjusted the switch to turn on at this PSI. There we go. If I put that same 3.5 PSI to the pressure switch, pump kicks on, and we're spraying water methanol. So yeah, all I've got to do now is head out and tune it. So inside, this is for my level light of the tank. This is for my circulating cooler for the blower, air to water. My line lock, this is for a trans fan, and then when the methanol is injecting, this light comes on. So it's all run off of a boost switch. I just teed into my gauge, and yeah, so my laptop hooked up here.